In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your corporate VoIP phone tool framework directly into the HubSpot workspace interface. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure your calling setup is available right inside HubSpot, so your team can work from one place instead of switching between multiple tools. The goal here is to bring your corporate VoIP phone system into the HubSpot workspace interface, making it easier to place calls, capture activity, and keep your outreach organized. Once this connection is in place, your workflow becomes much smoother because calling and contact management happen side by side. After that, head into your contacts menu and open your daily target outbound calling list view. This is the list you'll be working from throughout the day, so it's important to begin there. Using a dedicated outbound calling view helps you stay focused on the right contacts, prioritize your tasks, and move through your call queue efficiently. It also gives you a clear structure for your outreach, especially if you're working through a high volume of calls and want to make sure no one gets missed. When you're inside the list and ready to begin, open a customer's contact record and click the phone icon directly within that record to start dialing. This built-in phone option is what allows you to call without leaving the HubSpot environment. It keeps the process streamlined and reduces distractions, which is especially helpful when you're moving quickly from one conversation to the next. Before placing the call, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm you're viewing the correct record so your activity is logged in the right place. While you're speaking with the customer, type your call notes into the live text area. This is one of the most useful parts of the process because it lets you capture details in real time while the conversation is still fresh. Try to keep your notes clear and practical so they'll be helpful later, whether for your own follow-up or for a teammate reviewing the contact history. Writing notes as you talk is usually much more accurate than trying to remember everything afterward. Once the call is finished, select a call outcome status such as connected or left voicemail. This final step automatically updates your metrics, which helps keep reporting accurate and gives your team better visibility into performance. It also makes your follow-up process easier, since outcomes show exactly what happened on each call. By following this workflow inside HubSpot, you can keep calling, note-taking, and outcome tracking all in one clean, efficient process.